Alright, so we're back here and we have all the necessary putty marks, seams filled up again, and now we're going to go on to the very final parts of my sanding procedures. Now this pass here, we're just going to be going back and forth with just the weight of your hand. Okay, so we're going to be going, we're starting to go a little bit into our edges now. And we're starting to feather into what we did before, and also getting rid of the 150 grits when we did that first grind. So in perspective, all this is starting to even out now, and now we're looking for to make this look consistent, and so when the stain hits it, it's all going to be consistent as well. So again, I'm just going to start back here, work my way into my passes, and then just start my flow. As I said, on my first pass here, it's going to be my hand pressure down. Now, as I'm doing this, I'm also taking this, and as I'm going, I'm kind of rocking a little bit of pressure to this side. I'm never lifting at all. Okay, so I always keep it flat, but I'm just putting a little bit of pressure on this side when I go and hit there. And then again, I'm going to rock it to my thumb and just let my thumb and lift up with this finger, the push down with that thumb. And you just kind of rock it a little bit this way. And so you just alternate your pressure, always keeping it flat, always trying to keep a consistent pressure. So here we go. Alright, so the next time that you see me, we'll be doing the very last final pass, which is just the weight of the sander, and that's it.